have a special judge today. Judge Al Rojas grew up as a farm worker. As a child, he was working in California as a farm worker, picking fruit with his parents. And Judge Rojas was actually an organizer and one of the founders of the United Farm Workers of America. So I think when we talk about justice in California, justice in this country, we need judges who are workers, who know what discrimination is, who know what racism is, and have been fighting for justice for the people. He also was a labor commissioner in California, and he made sure that working people who were defrauded of wages, who were defrauded by employers, who greedy employers, actually got justice in California. We need more of those kind of people in California.
And went to jail.
So maybe you can talk a little bit about yourself, because we want to know, people come to judges, they don't know who judges are. Many of these judges actually are former attorneys for companies, attorneys for insurance companies. They get money from big corporations, and they're doing justice, but they're not doing justice for working people. So welcome, Judge Al Rojas.
Thank you, Steve. I'm very, very proud to be here before my constituents and my citizens of this county, exercising their right in democracy, making sure that the democratic process and due process is actually enforced. It is my belief that in this country we must keep very diligent in making sure that we are being held accountable, even myself as a judge. We are accountable to the people. You are accountable to justice. We are accountable to making sure justice goes forward. We will be against the whole question of civil servants, public servants, not carrying out the duty of representing the community and servicing the community. They are the servants of the people. And the people have the right to determine whether they're doing their job, and if they're not, they have the unalienable right to bring them to justice. I am so proud of the fact that our citizens are willing to step up forward to when they see injustice in their community. They do not fail to bring about their being able to advocate their duly right. And we know beginning the 20th of this month, we are going to then diligently making sure that every public servant, even at the highest level of this country, the President of the United States, all the way down to Congress, senators, and civil servants in their communities and the counties. There's been too much of a violation of our human rights, and also splitting and continuing to divide us in our community. We are one people, whether we're indigenous, black, Asian, Muslim, white, we are all brothers and sisters in one community. This is one community. Remember this. They need to be told, this is our community. We are the community. And for that I'm very proud that you have selected me in the judicial process in this community to be the judge here today. After hearing our sister attorney counsel give out and explain the indictments, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, right? Counsel, there was 1, 2, 3, and 4.
6 and 7.
Six, seven.
6, 7. I'm being reminded. 6, 7. I might want to add, I've been a strong advocate of the whole question of prosecutorial misconduct.
That's right.
Prosecutorial misconduct.
That's right.
You need to look it up. It is a very serious charge against our public servants. But you also need to understand that in every time we've had an Attorney General for the state of California, you want to look at the statistics of how many DAs have been prosecuted or charged with prosecutorial misconduct. And then, needless to say, in most counties, in all counties, this is the case. Was I found guilty?
Not yet, Your Honor, not yet. We're going to convene the trial. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. He's ready to hear the evidence. Don't you think? Let's hear it from Your Honor.
Yay!